Network Entertainment.
Hi, I'm JB.
I'm Ella,
At ito ang Kwentong Color.
powered by Pod Network. Yay! Medyo awkward pa din, Besh. Iba pa din pag nandito ka.
Oo nga. Malapit naman na. Mga
Hmm?
5 years. Sure.
Ang dami nagtatanong, hindi mag-stay ka daw ba dyan? Parang, ay, bakit? Parang ako nagdesisyon, bakit?
Oo nga, actually, para desisyon ka. Actually, Besh,
Wow!
nag-extend na pala, no?
Sige,
Nag-TNT
kahit
na dito.
sumbong kita sa embassy dito. Musta
Mm-mm.
ka na? February ngayon. Well, by the time na ilabas yung episode.
Oo. Ano nga ba? By the time na
Pag
ilabas yung episode ay, tama ba? Mga around Valentine's Day, no? Oo.
after na.
After na.
Valentine's Day.
Oo.
Post-Valentine's.
Oo. So, pag nilabas yung episode na to, nabigay ko na yung surprise ko sa jowa ko.
Wow, ano yan? So, ano yun?
Surprise!
Kwento mo na ngayon kasi nabigay na eh.
Grabe yung time na, grabe yung construct ng time, no? Nalilito na rin
Oo.
ako. So, future ngayon. So pwede ko na. O, sige.
Future na yun. Oo.
Sige, hindi naman yun ito maririnig eh. Tsaka hindi naman
Oo.
nakikinig na yun eh. Wow,
Hindi nga,
nagtampo.
hindi nga. Oh, hindi nga yung
Nagtampo.
nakikinig. Alam mo, yung jowa ko din, hindi pinakik. Wow,
Eh,
hello.
palagi
Hindi
naman
ko,
nandyan eh. Live nga siya eh, palagi eh.
hindi naman siya nakikinig, nag-ML lang siya. Wow.
So, hindi, nung Christmas kasi nagbigay ako ng card eh. Na,
Oh.
tipong post-dated card. So, magbibigay din ako ng post-dated na
Bakit wala akong mga ganyan?
ganyan. Kasi yung sa'yo, secret.
Ano? Tigilan mo
Secret.
ako. Sabihin mo na ngayon, kasi future na ngayon.
Naguguluhan yung utak ko. Parang time is a construct eh.
Huwag natin
Oo,
tuloy
so
yung
yun.
multiverse. Oh.
Oo. Pero at least, di ba, ano naman, mabait ang universe sa ating dalawa at meron tayong minamahal. As of this
Uy, pero,
recording, di ba?
but, hindi naman, the universe hasn't always been kind to us. And to other,
Oo.
again,
Oo.
I think, yun yung thing with love. In itself, it's supposed to be beautiful and pure, and I would like to believe it still leads to the best of things. But, masakit din siya.
Oo. Kasi syempre, tama, meron ka din naman experience ng, grabe nga rin yung experience mo ng heartbreak eh. Ako din,
Pero
meron
okay
din
lang,
naman. Di
gusto ko
ba?
yung hindi ka sure. Grabe experience mo, right? Right?
Hindi kasi, ang naiisip ko kasi sa hindi ka nababakante.
Oh, alam mo, sinabi niya ng nanay ko sa akin. Tapos parang ako,
Di ba? Parang hindi mo siya tinake na parang, so,
hindi, kasi she really didn't say it as a compliment. As ano yun eh. Oh, basta,
backhanded na ano. Oo.
backhanded talaga siya. It was
Oo.
intentionally backhanded. But
Oo.
anyway, we've had our share of heartbreaks, and our friends have also had their share of heartbreaks.
True. Pero alam mo,
Ah,
buti na lang, hindi tayo naging mag-best friend nung ganong era ka. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong sabihin ko sa'yo. Then nung nag-break ka, na parang, ano ba ipapayo ko sa'yo?
ang
Pakatanga
galing
ka,
mo
balikan
advice.
mo. Hindi, sa love life, hindi ko alam. Siguro di ba?
Tama. Wow.
Kasi ikaw, grabe ka mag-advise sa akin. Naalala ko yun.
Pero kasi it's never easy to handle. Alam mo yung parang the difficult part with heartbreak when it happens to your friend is that you can't you can't take the pain away as much as you want to. Parang you want to alleviate the pain, but alam mong masakit siya because however you go about it, masakit talaga ang love eh. Parang masakit ang heartbreak, masakit yung iwan ka, lokohin ka, masakit siya. So it's one of the things na you don't know how to minimize for another person. So ang dami ko na
True.
sinabi. Yun yung
True.
pag-uusapan natin today.
Naalala ko, para lang akong sirang plaka nun sa'yo, paulit-ulit. Anyway.
No, it's okay. As in, I believe na okay lang maging carousel in terms of saying how you feel. Ang dami ng feelings. Teka lang, pag-usapan, save natin to
Sige,
for the
sige, sige.
topic.
Sorry. Oo nga,
Oo.
parang hindi ka naka-center. Bakit
Hindi
parang may
nga.
bakanting upuan dyan?
Is the Holy Spirit. Ganyan. By the
Uy.
way, video
Ah,
episode to para sa
oo
mga
nga.
nanonood.
Oo,
So, check nyo yan.
palagi mong ginagawa yun? Paki
Oo,
ganon.
sige.
Paki-enlarge ang inyong mga screen.
Ano ba siya? Actually, hindi ko siya tinatry. Pag sa,
Pa-full
parang di
screen.
ba, Oo, tapos parang i-click mo yung ano, yung nakaganon na arrows.
Oo. Alam na nila yan, oo. So sa
Oo.
ating mga, so we are Kwentong Quorum Podcast. We're best
Yes,
friends and
hello.
doctors.
And our goal is to demystify and humanize medicine.
Yay!
Wow.
So sa mga new listeners, na ito talaga yung una yung episode. Kasi
Mm.
ano to, part ng, ilan ba? 3 to 4, hindi pa sure. 3 to 4 week series. Gusto mo yan, hindi tayo sure.
Basta February. Basta within February.
Oo, na about love life. About
Yes. And
love,
we
about, oo.
Kasi we've been doing
Self-love.
this since we started the pod. Na every February, we try to make it love theme because as much as we'd like to talk about doctorhood and stuff, we really do think that love is something universal na naranasan ng mga doktor, naranasan ng lahat. And I hope sa mga listeners na bago, you can relate to this episode and mahanap nyo yung ibang episodes namin. At sa recurring listeners, hello, welcome. Thank you for staying on the pod, for listening in, for liking, subscribing, and following us, and clicking on that bell button. May new episodes pa rin kami every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Ayan.
Umuha na lang. Yes, tama. Agree.
Agree, okay. Pero
Oo.
today, our episode will center on, again, relationships, love. But right now, hindi siya yung happy-happy, kilig kind of love. Especially
Oo.
since it's about handling a breakup. Kapag, alam mo yung hindi ikaw yung directly
Oo,
involved.
yan yung twist, di ba? Kasi
Wow,
usually, ba, hindi naman kasi masyadong pinag-uusapan, di ba yung parang, pag ikaw yung friend,
yes.
anong binibigay mong advice, paano ka nag-handle ng breakup? Kasi, ibang experience din yung parang, lalo na kung sobrang close mo, tapos nagkwento
True.
sa'yo ng breakup, like, parang sa loob mo, parang, anong gagawin ko sa kanya? I-real talk ko ba siya? Makiki-empatya ba ako sa kanya?
Yes, empatya. I
Ay,
love
sorry.
it. Ngayon ko narinig.
Oo.
Empathize.
Sorry,
In
sorry.
short, it's
Oo.
about fixing hearts you didn't break.
Oo.
Dahil we've had our share of that experience, but we'd also like to add more depth and color and breadth to the experience. So nag-invite tayo ng guest, and
Mm-mm.
luckily, she's also in the field that also fixes
Breaks
heart.
hearts. Fixes, sorry.
Hindi!
Fixes hearts pala.
Fix din siya.
Ay, oo nga,
So,
oo nga.
oo. So, nagkataon lang, it's so poetic that ang guest natin ngayon, her field, her chosen field has to do with fixing hearts. Well, literally, I mean, hindi,
Na
hindi,
hindi
hindi
niya
to,
binrake.
yes.
Hopefully.
Dapat hindi. Ay, hindi, pero
Oo.
doctor din siya.
Don't
Sorry,
know
baka
how. Mm-mm.
nalilito na yung audience. Ipakita na lang natin. Ito na, siya na
Oo.
yung, I'm going to give her space now. Come
Oo.
here. Come
Holding
here. Wow!
space. O, di ba? Very wicked yung atake ni.
Ang ganda-ganda!
Hello.
So,
Oo.
sa mga listeners noon pa,
Parang familiar yung voice.
The
Yeah.
very start.
yes, from the
Yeah.
very
Oh, I
start.
forgot to check what episode that was.
I don't know din nga, Besh. We didn't check either. So,
Yeah.
mga listeners who have been here since our early days, no, iba pa yung art card namin, kami pa lang, Canva pa lang yung mga ginagawa natin. Ayan, she's one of our first few
Yes.
guests.
Hi. So glad
yes.
to be back.
Welcome. Ay, di lang pa kaya lang. Hi,
Hi.
Karen!
Hi. Hello.
So she was here for our iMed episode with Chacha. Yay! So, if you recognize her voice lang yun, no? That time.
Oo, voice lang.
I think we did Zoom. Funnily enough, I had COVID then. And then now I'm sick again.
Oh, no.
But it's okay. I love being here.
Yes, and
It's my dream.
you're always one of our most articulate guests.
Oh,
You're,
thank you.
Ay, oo, totoo yun. I would agree.
Oh, tsaka, well, secret na lang, but she's been here more than
Yeah.
twice.
So this is my third time on the pod. I'm very happy to be here. It's okay. I think they can figure it out from the voice, that very
Yes, and
husky voice.
minsan lang naman kami magtago ng ng
Sige,
identity.
mo, more clues pa, Ben.
Okay
So,
na, okay.
hello to JB and Ella's listeners.
Mm.
Listeners,
Oh.
watcher, ano tawag? Pod kids. Ay,
What?
sorry,
Uy, wag mo
Hindi,
nakawin yun.
Oo,
Hindi amin yun.
Mga call room pala.
Oo.
Sorry.
Oo.
But not listeners because they can see me. Hello po.
Oh, si
Oo.
baka Yeah, she's really a podcaster na ano pa niya na yes, you can watch us also if you click that thing for video episodes. Pero
Mm-mm.
Karen, before we start,
Yeah.
hindi, mamaya na yung isa. Pero para lang may idea din yung audience,
Yeah.
this is not new to you.
Mhm.
Magkakaroon tayo ng
Rapid
Rapid rounds!
At saka first
Yay!
time point out ko lang na ang magkasama ay hindi ano ba? Wala lang, magkasama kayo. Usually, di ba, guest
Hindi.
yung nakahiwalay?
Parang we've had guests na ito. Oo nga, no? Hala,
Yeah.
Diba?
hala, Beth, what does this mean for you?
So, bali, ano na, hindi ko alam.
So, bale, i-dethrone na ata kita. Joke lang.
Oo nga. Ay, hindi sinabi ko yun kay,
Oo.
Ella May, di ba?
Oo,
If
sinabi
ever.
niya yun.
You know, sa mga talk show, pag nag-abroad yung isang co-host,
Ano?
they bring in like a guest co-host for like
Ah,
one
really?
day. Oo, yung mga
Oo,
daytime
tapos
talk
biglang di na napalitan, di na nakabalik.
Ginagawa yun ni John Green and Hank Green nung one of them ay paternity leave. So parang every week, ibang tao yung gumagawa ng role.
Yan, JP, alam mo na pag nag-paternity.
Kaya
Yeah.
nga eh. Magugulat na lang ako, ay, episode 200 na sila.
Oh, hindi mo alam, no? Ibang
Oo, di ko
podcast
alam.
na pala pinili. Parang,
Oo.
since when?
Pinalitan ko na yung,
Oo.
ang tawag?
Art card.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad to be
Okay,
back.
go, Besh.
So let's ask you questions. You know these questions already.
Okay, so it's mostly the same ones.
Samplex.
Okay.
No.
Okay, let's do this.
Some of them
Rapid
are
round.
not. Okay.
Oo.
Sige. Pero mas maikli na kasi...
Kinakabahan ako.
Oh, okay. Ready, set, go. Utak o puso?
Puso.
True love or thriving career?
True love.
Starbucks order?
White mocha Americano.
All days? Paano
All
pag
days.
hindi caffeine?
Pag hindi caffeine, matcha latte.
Oo, nagulat
Yeah.
ka doon na may follow up. Glove side.
Love size?
Glove.
Love.
Love din yung narinig ko. Cup
6
C, char.
Glove side. Favorite OR instrument?
The Vicky.
Rin?
Parin.
Anong best way to move on? One word.
Love.
Oh. Where do broken hearts go?
Kay Jesus.
Namatay na agad.
Real date place.
I don't know. Somewhere quiet.
Flowers or chocolates?
Flowers.
Dinner or lunch?
Dinner.
Mahal mo or mahal ka?
Mahal ako.
Oh, favorite part of the heart?
Favorite part of... Ano ba yan? Favorite... Huh?
Favorite part? Diba in opera mo yung heart?
Yeah.
Saan
S.A.
ka?
node.
Oh, where all the heartbeats start. Oh, okay. Favorite TCVS OR?
Favorite TCBS? Oh, no. Huh. I don't know. I guess aneurysm repair.
Favorite love quote?
Oh,
Ay, ang
no.
dami. Oh, next, mamaya.
Mamaya.
Iba-isipan. Walang ligo o walang kain?
Walang kain.
Unang ginagawa pagkagising?
Toothbrush.
Ay, wala. I'm responsible. Tamponade or aortic dissection?
Aortic dissection.
True or false? It's better to love
taray.
than at all.
Yes.
Ayun na yung ending.
Ang tari ng
Yay!
true or false.
May true or false. Nagada ko ng bagong type of question.
category.
Taray.
Tayo may MCQ na dito.
Jeopardy na.
Ay, Jeopardy na yung rapid rounds. Ang saya. Okay,
Hindi na
Oh,
tama.
ang bilis mo namang sumagot, Karen. Ito naman.
Diba?
Hindi na.
Oh my God,
Bilis.
thank you for saying that. You know exactly what to say because I was listening to the first time I guessed it. I took so long. I've been overthinking.
But to be fair, we were also very slow nun. We also listened to our past episodes. Tapos parang kami, tagal natin. Parang, hi, I'm JB. And I'm Ella. So parang, what? Ayun, I think we've gotten our groove.
Yeah, we're like wine. We get better with time.
Galing.
Ang daming baon pala. Ang dami naman palang baon. Sige,
Kasi
mamaya.
start eh.
Uubusin natin yan.
Prepare ng script. Because I was asking Ella, how do I prepare for this? She said, just be yourself.
Yeah, just be
Okay.
yourself. That's what we do most of the time. Mukha ba kami may script? Wala. Okay. So, hindi. Para lang muna magka-context ka.
Uh-huh.
Kasi baka magtaka sila. So, what's your expertise on this?
Yeah, ano
Hindi.
bang credentials ko dito?
Hindi, ano muna, yung non-love part of it, let's talk about what do we mean when we say you fix broken heart? What do you
Okay.
do?
So hi everyone, I'm Karen. I'm Ella and JB's friend. I'm Ella's neighbor also. That's why we're here shooting in the morning.
Mm.
Anyway, I'm a doctor. I currently am a surgical trainee specializing in TCVS. What's TCVS? Thoracic, cardiac, and vascular surgery. So fixing broken hearts. I'm not gonna say it's a childhood dream, but it's been a while of me wanting to fix broken hearts. So
Would
yeah.
you say it's a teenage dream?
Hindi din eh. Parang med school na. Parang med school na. But I think, well, first of all, wala talaga akong expertise dito. I'm not like a psychiatrist or a
Mm-mm.
psychologist.
Mm-mm.
Ang rason kung bakit nandito ako ay nepotism talaga.
Hindi
Kasi
naman.
kasi pangarap ko talagang maging podcaster or podcast
Mm.
guest. So, I'm
Parang
here back.
kinakabahan na ako ah. Parang nagsimula tayo sa
Okay.
magkatabi kayo, tapos dinideclare mo na
Nag-apply.
ngayon na pangarap mo. Para
No,
baka
no.
maging co-host na ako, tapos makick out na ako sa Zoom.
Surprise na lang pala. Audition ko na pala to. Hello sa
Ano
mga
pala to?
producer ni na Ella.
You're hired. Wow!
Hindi. But I think yung credentials ko is, now that we're on the topic of fixing broken hearts, my heart has been fixed a couple of times. And I fixed a lot of broken hearts, I think, as the perpetually, no, I don't want to say it, but as a perpetually single friend,
Oh.
I'm the designated, yeah,
Fixer of hearts.
fixer of hearts.
Oh. I find it so poetic na your profession is in the business of fixing hearts, and at the same time, you're a really good heart fixer. I have to
Thank
say.
you, Ella.
Oh.
So just like JB, I wasn't there for the Ella
Oh.
breakups, I think.
Kailan nga ba
But
yun, Besh? First year med? Second year med?
taon pa
Fourth
ba yun?
year high school yung una. And then,
Okay, okay. Sorry.
ako,
Hindi, yung pangalawa.
the
Yung pangalawang
second one,
beses.
second year med school, yan.
Yeah.
Sinong kaano mo nun? Hindi pa sila Karen? Hindi mo pa sila super close?
Alam mo, the funny thing is, when I had my breakup no LU4, the second year med school, cardio module nun, tapos ako yung L. Oo, ganda, di ba? Pero parang, it's not something I shout to the rooftops kasi na "Uy, guys, nag-break ako, give me some slack." Ganun. Wala naman akong ganong, yeah. I mean, late nga alam ng ibang tao. Parang, pero the people I had with me at that time were mostly high school friends. Yung mga kilala din siya kasi yung ex ko was also high school crew, gano'n. So, mostly high school friends who knew him, knew about us, ganyan. Sila yung mga unang nakaalam. It's so funny, even, kasi we always remember the day na nagiging kayo, di ba?
Mhm.
There was a time na I was so sad about it. Naalala ko yung day na nag-break kami. Tapos parang minumorn ko siya. Parang ganun. Parang I think of the day na nag-break kami.
Hanggang ngayon, alam mo pa rin?
Alam ko, pero di na ako nagmamorn. Ano ba? Naalala ko lang.
Gulat na lang ako pag malungkot sila. Ito siguro yung araw na nag-break sila.
Oo, that was, ngayon na naglilito na ako. Basta it was October.
Di ba? Nire-repress na ng memory mo.
Yes. Pero I'm really thankful for the people who have been there for episodes of breakup and moving on. Because it's really difficult. As in, I'm sure may experiences din kayo on that na yung sabi mo nga, Besh, na feeling mo sirang plaka ka. I felt that way no, na parang, okay, I'm supposed to be over this issue. Bakit issue ko na naman siya? Tapos
Diba?
sabihin ko na naman the exact same thing that I told someone before.
Diba?
Parang,
Kung ako yung nakikinig sa sarili ko, ano ba, paulit-ulit tayo? Move on? Parang,
but I realize, I think, ganun talaga. Kasi sometimes pain comes in waves. Yun yung natutunan ko sa era na yun. That pain comes in waves. Sometimes it returns back to the ocean, but it comes back at you and trashes back at you every so often. And we have to learn that that's okay. Tayo kasi nahiya tayo eh. Pero parang ang na-learn ko is if you're the friend na ongoing yung breakup ng kaibigan, just let them come in waves. Kasi parang mas mahirap yung nagigilty ka pa. Parang you're so heartbroken already and then magigilty ka pa for feeling heartbroken. It's really painful and ganun talaga. And the best way to get through it is to just let yourself feel the pain. Ano, may quote na ganun eh.
feel your feelings.
Pain demands to be felt. Wow.
Quote.
Yung,
Pain demands to be
yun,
felt.
yun.
Di
Pwede,
ba?
pwede.
Best John Green
Ginawa
fan
ko.
tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Wow.
Ha?
Di ba John Green yun?
Hindi yung John Green.
Ay, ano ba
Yung
yun?
sa Bimbo Tower doon.
Hindi ba John Green nga yung
John
Pain
Green
demands to
yun.
be felt?
Yung
The Fault in Our
may,
Stars?
yung
Oo.
meron
Ay,
siyang
oo nga, tama
oxygen.
nga.
Oh,
Tama nga.
yung may oxygen siya.
Wow!
Yun ang naalala.
Wow! Yes, tama. Tapos ko. The Perks of Being a
The Fault in Our
Wallflower.
Stars, di ba?
Yeah, Fault in Our Stars. Ayan. Sige, anong mga, sige, let's talk about times when tayo yung friend na ganun and how we try to handle that. Ikaw Karen, may ganun, what's your experience with fixing hearts
Well, yeah,
non-medically?
non-medically. Well, yeah, I've had a couple of friends going through breakups
Mm.
or ongoing difficult relationships. I think as we age, heartbreak is something that we all
Inevitable.
inevitably go through. There are different kinds of heartbreak as
Mm.
well. I think I'm more familiar with that. But
Aw.
yeah, it's different for every person. I think you have to remember that healing, just like growth, it's not a linear process. It's never a linear process. So tama si Ella, it will keep coming back. And then there's a quote I read recently. Yes, ang dami na talagang pa-quotes kasi ang
O,
dami
di
nating
ba?
reels na pinagsasend sa isa't isa.
Tayo yung target
Anyway,
audience talaga
yeah.
nun.
There's a quote I read na it ends or it doesn't. That's what you tell yourself.
Mm.
It ends or it doesn't. And then you deal with it. You don't I remember telling Ella, my anecdote
Oo.
agad, when I was going through it and she was fixing my heart, I asked her, when will this end?
Mm.
I just want it to end already. Not my life, but
Mm.
the feeling, because anyway, in the feeling, that whole situation. And then she said, you don't have to know when or how it will end. You just know that it will eventually, and you hold on to that, and that's enough. And sa ating mga viewers, it will end or it doesn't, and then but you're gonna live. You're gonna live another day. You're gonna have a meaningful life, whatever that looks like, that future looks like, with or without that person that you're grieving. You don't know what it's gonna be like. So, but life gets better
Carry on.
eventually.
Pero
Yeah.
kasi I have another quote by Rilke naman. Yung
Mhm.
it was in Jojo Rabbit kaya ko siya nalaman. But Rilke is a
Ayan.
very
Favorite ko yan.
yes, yes.
Yung last. Okay,
Yeah,
go.
the last frame of Jojo Rabbit, yung Nazi movie.
Yeah.
Ang sabi doon ay let everything happen to you, beauty and terror. So
No feeling is final.
yes, yes. So it's kind of sad in a way because that also means the good things also come to an end, and with the end of good things comes heartbreak. But it's also comforting to know that even the greatest pain will have an ending. So sana reassuring yun sa mga nakakarinig. And that's something you can also tell your friends who are ongoing heartbreak.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Besh, how do you deal with friends na
Naiyak na lang, naalala lahat ng ano.
ikaw, what's your experience with heartbreak, being the friend trying to fix a heart?
So, eto na nga.
Ay.
May chika pala. Hindi, alam mo to, Besh,
Alam ko yan.
di ba kinukwento ko sa'yo to recently?
Oo.
Nagigigil ako? Yung pala yung advice, no? Hindi.
Kasi may isang angle dyan na parang, di ba, for the most part, we're compassionate, we're empathetic. Pero minsan kasi, what do you do when feeling mo talaga mali or parang
Hindi mo
questionable?
tanga-tanga na.
Yan, ayan, oo. So, sige, ikaw, how do you, let's not name names, pero sige, ano yung nangyayari?
Oo, hindi naman siya. Oo, nakikinig ba siya nito? Hindi ko alam. Pakikinig ko para alam niyang nangigigil ako.
Oo.
Hindi, kasi syempre, pag yung isa mong friend, ay alam mong, ano ba? Hindi ko masasabing gray area, pero alam mong nag-cheat na yung ex niya, tapos babalikan pa niya.
Oh my God, ako yan.
Oh my God.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, hindi
Pinako.
ako nakabosina, pero
Oo.
pero yun parang tas parang nagpapaka ano pa siya. Hindi, syempre ang face ano ko naman ay oo nga, o sige, pero ano bang baka naman kasi sinasabi niya magbabago na raw, alam na daw niya yung urges niya, na-realize daw niya ngayon na mas importante si ate sa kanya kaysa dun sa ganyan niya, bigyan ng second chance. So, syempre ako naman, syempre, pag nakikita mo naman yung friend mo na parang gusto pa talaga niya, edi syempre, support ka na lang na, Sige, so anong plano mo? Yung mga gano'n na lang yung sinasabi ko na, hanggang pagbibigyan mo pa ba siya? Or parang, anong sabi ng family mo? Anong sabi ng iba mong friends? Tapos parang pag narinig mo na, sabi nga nila, wala na, ano yun? Si friend kasi, syempre pag sinabi ko yung detail, yung halata na. Si friend kasi, malayo siya sa mga friends niya. So parang sabi ng ibang friends niya, pag binalikan mo yan, wala ka ng friend na babalikan dito. Like
Ay!
tipong alam mo yung friend na parang
Victim, oh my
sobrang
God.
against na, 'di ba? Pero
Oo.
sabi niya, ang sinasabi pa niya sa akin, ano na, pag tinuloy ko to, it's me against the world. O ni-romanticize pa ni Gaga. Ay, me
Grabe
and
yung
you
pagbabasa niyo
against,
ng
me
novel,
and,
ha?
parang ganon, mga ganon yung, ano
Ang line
niya.
niya ay pag bawal masarap. Ha?
Ay! Ay!
Ay! Oo. Pero syempre,
Kasi
meron
go.
ako hindi i-disclose na part na parang, okay, it all makes sense to me bakit ganyan yung response mo kasi, yan, bleep, ganon. Basta merong part, mamaya after ng recording, i-check ako. Pero nag-make sense sa akin kung bakit ganon yung response niya.
Pero in general, I think sometimes you also have to be that friend na tough love yung ino-offer. Kasi minsan nga, um, you have to put your friend in perspective din. Kasi as much as they want to feel their feelings and we're I'm a big fan of feeling your feelings. Pero sometimes you have to put it in a perspective na okay, this is where you are, ito yung
Oo.
reality niya.
Ito pa
We're doing
pala,
something in my life,
ito
ganyan.
pa pala. To be fair sa akin, ang bait ko ng kaibigan. Kasi itong si friend na to, dapat
Hmm.
aalis kami on a trip.
Ay, oo nga.
Iniwan niya ako last minute for
For the love.
her ex. As
Oh
in,
my God.
boarding na kami. I mean, boarding na ako. Boarding na yung flight ko. Nanggaling lang siya sa ibang airport. Sabi niya sa akin, 10 minutes before the boarding, may kasalanan ako, B. Nandito yung ex ko, hindi ko maiwan.
Oh my
Alam mo,
God.
nag-cancel lang ng dinner eh. No?
Nung time na yon, to be fair, hindi ko alam na nag-cheat. Alam ko ay parang Rocky, baka hindi kaya yung LDR. So parang ako naman si understanding, o sige, ano, ipaglaban mo yan. Parang ready ako mag-sacrifice. Wow. Ako talaga nag-sacrifice para maibalik yung relationship nyo. Tapos later on, na nakausap ko, malaman-laman ko, cheating pala ang dahilan.
Pero, alam mo yun, parang, where do you, kasi yan, hindi mo friend si Guy, di ba?
Hindi.
Di ba? Oh. So, where do you cross the line na ng
OMG,
pangialam,
it
pag-advise
sounds so
lang?
familiar.
Hindi, paano nga dapat? I mean, kung kunwari
Kung
ikaw
pareho mong
friend.
friend. Ay,
Hindi,
ano ba?
pero, in general ata, hindi pala relevant kung friend mo, hindi yung
Oh,
guy.
sige.
Pero parang, syempre it's a private relationship and you'd like them to settle things on their own, ganyan. Pero when do you step in? When do you know when to step in? When do you know kapag, parang hindi ka na pwedeng manahimik or hindi na pwedeng bahala kayo, buhay nyo yan,
Alam mo,
ganyan.
feeling ko depende sa closeness nyo. Kung parang
Mm.
friend-friend lang na sakto lang, hanggat di niya ako sinesharean, parang ayoko nang dagdagan yung problema ko. Hanggat di niya sinishare sa akin, at di siya nangihingi
For
ng
your own
opinion or
peace of
nagrarant,
mind.
parang carry lang na hindi. Pero siguro kung isa yung mangyari yun, baka pinag-isipan din, no? Baka kasi magalit ka sa akin pag nangialam ako eh. Pero ayun, depende sa
Pero
closeness
I
for
think,
me.
tsaka depende ata sa pagkakilala mo sa person. Kasi some people do well with being told what to do kasi indecisive sila, or some people really aren't used to navigating heartbreak and also they need some guidance. But some people, they feel offended kapag
Oo.
nangialam ka.
Yung sa'yo,
And
Karen, yung mga
yeah,
experience mo,
go.
sa mga friends
Um,
mo,
yeah, I think my approach has evolved over time.
ay,
Siguro heart
taray.
fixer na. Oh, talagang may talk to yourself. I've been fixing hearts. Right?
Yeah, what's your
I'm not,
oh,
kasi ako, I don't know, pakialamera lang ba ako? Or maybe
mm,
it's because I have a lot of close friends and I've been doing this.
doing this?
Professional. What, high school? I think
Oh,
my approach has evolved over time, no? Parang before kasi, you're also, as the friend, no? Ako yung classic, Judy Greer in movies or basta yung dedicated best
oh my
friend.
God, my best
Ako yun
friend.
yung mas invested pa
Yes,
kesa dun sa
yes.
main character. That's me. So
Oh.
parang, dati go na go ako, give na give, na parang, hoy, hiwalayan mo na yan, or
Oo.
ang tanga-tanga mo, tigilan
Oo.
mo na yan, slaps.
Oo.
Or pag naiiyak siya,
Oo.
ako yung mas naiiyak. Actually, hanggang to this day, ganun pa rin ako. When my friend cries, or I'll be the first one to cry. But, over time, I've realized, at the end of the day, it's not your life, and you're not feeling their feelings. No matter how empathetic you are, or, ano tawag doon? Yeah, no matter
Yeah.
how
Empath.
empathetic,
Oo.
kahit gaano ka ka-empath, na hindi, alam ko yung pinagdadaanan mo, alam ko yung pain na yan, na I went through the same thing. At the end of the day, it's not you feeling those
Yeah.
feelings. You're not the one in that. When you're in the middle of heartbreak kasi, it feels like, honestly, it feels like the end of the world.
Yeah.
Parang you
Yeah.
feel so isolated, and parang wala nang ibang nangyayari bukod dun sa pangyayari na yon. And as friends, we can only do so much, no? We can only love them. You can only love your people, but you can't feel their feelings for them. So you have to understand na even if it's painful for you, even if naiintindihan mo sila, you can never 100% put yourself in their place. So you can offer perspective. Ako, what I do now is I always ask them, do you need me? And that's what my friends do for me also. Do you need me to be the tough love friend right now? Do you need me to sit with
True.
you and just listen? Or kailangan mo ba ng real talk? Kasi I can give that to you. Sometimes I do both. Like, para may options ang aking mga kaibigan. Okay, mag-empathize muna ako sa'yo. Iyak muna tayo dito. Intindihin kita na mahal mo pa rin yung cheater mong ex. Pero mamaya, real talk tayo. Parang ganun. Yeah, all you can do is love your people and just be their support system. I love that quote also, yung sinabi ni Ella. And if you're going through a breakup, or your friend is going through a breakup, you have to remember, no feeling is final. It feels like
Dami
no, it
kasi niyang
feels like
sinabi. Ano doon?
no feeling is final. No,
Okay, okay.
it's something you have to go through, and then the best thing you can do for your friends really is just sit there and be with them. I think kasi when you're in that spot, na walang makakapag-alis nung crushing feeling na yun eh. No matter how happy kayo, or all the talk therapy and
Yeah.
all, hindi naman maaalis yun. But just being your people, being with you, that's what gets you through.
Hi, I'm Joelle, and I'm back. Did you miss me? I wouldn't call this a season 2, but rather just another era with more lessons, realizations, and thoughts from all the overthinking. And it's not just gonna be me this time. We'll have special guests, other POVs, para mas marami pa tayong masagot na paano kungs ng buhay to hopefully help you find the answers you're looking for. Tara, this is Joelle's podcast, Paano Kung.
At saka isa pang naalala ko na parang pwedeng practical ay, hindi ko alam kung heartbreak ba yun, pero alam mo yung mga simple task na pwedeng ikaw na yung gumawa or gawin mo for that person. Like yung mga pagbibigay ng pagkain, or hindi ko alam kung saan ko ba narinig yun. Basta yung mga simple task na pwedeng ma-deload yung utak niya, na pwede mong
Yeah.
gawin. Hindi mo naman kasi pwedeng angkinin yung heartbreak eh. Pero yung mga ibang task na pwedeng ikaw na yung gumawa for him or her, pwede mong gawin.
Pero ano rin yan siguro, it takes a level of knowing the person din. Kasi parang, in a way, I know some people na ang response naman nila is they don't want to feel pitied or kaawaan. Kasi parang syempre may component kasi ang heartbreak of feeling like a failure. Like, it's a type of failure but in love, ganun. So, kahit pa hindi ikaw yung may kasalanan, you will still feel like a failure. So, even nung times na, it wasn't my fault, totally not my fault, but you can't help but think na, what was wrong with me to cause these series of yung mga problem ba when what I do. So, may ganong ruminations talaga na kapag nafe-feel mo na yung mga tao na aawa sa'yo, nakakasakit din kasi. So, I guess it depends also on how, pero I get yung doing things for others because some people talagang, ano siya, blackout na parang wala. I relate to what Karen said na it feels like the world has stopped. I can't understand sometimes why the entire world is still moving and this is happening. Parang feeling mo, no, we should be stopping. But I think the role of the friend is to leave the door open and to keep reminding your friend that the world can and will move on, and you could leave the door open so that they can join in when they're ready.
Oh.
Mm,
Mm.
taray.
Alam mo yung yung sinabi mo, Besh, narinig ko yung advice for ang bleak, pero para sa mga namatayan. Parang
Yeah.
pwede mo yung I remember when my dad died, yung mom ko, she always tells me about her friend na yung tita ko na she took care of everything, yung funeral home, yung pag-asikaso ng hospital. As in, she was, yung mom ko di niya naalala paano nakarating sa funeral yung tatay ko. Pero parang alam niya na inasikaso siya ng someone else. Of course, that's a very extreme example. But if there's a version of that where you can help your friend, like, you know that, Karen, that scene in How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days when si friend ni Kate Hudson was going through a breakup.
Mhm.
Tapos what they did was, pinuntahan siya kasi may meeting sila and they don't want her to lose the job
Ah,
on
yeah.
top of the breakup. Parang pinuntahan siya, sinundo siya sa bahay, dinalhan siya ng makeup, cologne,
Yeah.
ganyan-ganyan, para pumunta siya sa meeting because they know na she shouldn't lose her job on top of the heart. I think that type of empathy, that will be appreciated by your friends. Yung tipong, you help them continue.
Yeah.
Oo.
It's hard kasi parang you're on autopilot except you're not functioning. So, yeah, simple things like, right? Like doing their groceries for them or running an errand with them. Kasi just getting out of bed when you're in that dark place, it's
Totoo.
really hard.
Tsaka parang doon ko naalala ko, parang doon ko na-experience yung anhedonia. Nababasa ko lang yun eh. Pero parang yun talaga siya.
Yeah. You
Diba?
you used to lose
Yeah.
pleasure in everything else.
Oo, yung walang gana kumain. Parang that's
Oo.
not so me, pero naranasan ko siya.
Good.
Pwede
Kasi ikaw,
pala
Tex,
walang gana.
yung pag sa mga doktor na magjo-duty, kasi parang I realized nung med school, my response was to work, to study. Pero hindi ko ma-imagine how it must be for yung mga papasok ka pa, mag-duty ka pa the next day, tapos you're going through a heartbreak. How do you be that friend for them kapag ganon? Kasi kunwari, you can't do their ORs for them or something, ganyan. Or, I don't know, what do you think?
Hirap pa.
Kung sobrang bait mo, hindi sasaluhin mo yung ibang mga pwedeng
Saluhin mo yung
gawin.
duty niya.
Ay, hindi naman siguro yung duty. Hindi naman ako ganun kabait. Pero, pero siguro yung ibang mga mahihirap na task or ewan ko, parang ganun.
Or I think, baka reminder, kasi parang yun nga, you're in your head when you're in a breakup, so parang yung mga bagay lang na, uy, nakita mo ba tong message, ganyan. Kasi you tend to shut off the world eh. Tapos, parang ikaw na yung mag-remind sa friend mo na gumagalaw pa yung mundo, ito, meron tayong conference ngayon, or ito. Pero hindi mo rin kasi pwedeng gawin yung work for them. And I don't think that's helpful also na totally tanggalin mo yung work for them because they have to realize nga na, wala, as painful as it sounds, the world does not stop for heartbreak eh. So,
Yeah. I think medicine in general, like healthcare professionals, med students, doctors, the way we survive is we compartmentalize, right? Whether you're happy or you're sad or
Baby.
heartbroken. Wala. Kailangan mo magtrabaho, which might be a toxic mentality. Pero kasi for us working already in the hospital, basically wala kang choice kasi if you stop functioning, then it's not just you who's affected. It's literally people.
Walang heartbreak leave. Walang ganun, no?
Wala.
Heartbreak. Wala
But
ba
it's a form of
sick
grief. Wow.
leave? But
Sick
anyway, parang, I think the only way to cope is to compartmentalize. And maybe you can give your friends an avenue for that, no? Na like parang, okay, we have 1 hour. Let's sit here. Inuman natin yan. Iyak mo na yan lahat. I've done that. Sorry sa friend ko. I don't think this friend listens, but literally, nag-text siya sa akin in the middle of duty. I was also on duty as a surgical resident who medyo toxic. Nag-text siya, sabi niya, free ka ba? Sabi ko, well, nasa labas ako, pero nasa labas meaning we have this term called taong labas. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung taga-errands ng everyone. Sabi ko, nasa labas ako, pero nasa ganito akong ward. Sabi niya, can you come to this? Ang tsaka pa niya magbigay ng direction, sabi niya, yung stairwell sa ganitong second
Sa
floor
loob din ng ospital.
sa loob ng hospital.
Ay.
Sabi ko, anong ginagawa mo dun sa
Tapos,
stairwell sa second floor sa likod ng ospital? Tapos sabi niya, basta punta ka. Tapos,
oh,
gulgol ang
Oh.
ate mo. Crying.
anong
And,
nangyari?
and,
Chini po yung pala yung point. Chini
so,
ka na.
meron ding Peter na ex.
Oo.
Ah,
Oh.
Let's be surprised na maraming hater sa medicine.
We
Anyway.
have an episode on that. Go on.
Anyway, so basta may scumbag asshole
Mm.
guy involved, of
Mm-mm.
course. But that person was also in the middle of duty, and I think just needed that time. All we did was sit there. That's what I was telling you. All you can do is just sit with your friend and deal with it. And siguro siyempre wala kaming isang oras. Siguro mga 15 minutes, 20 minutes lang. Upo lang kami doon. Tapos umiiyak lang siya. Umiiyak lang din ako. Binilan ko siya ng
Oh.
tubig. Yun yung mga simple things na pwede mo
Yeah,
gawin. Bilan ko
yeah.
siya ng tubig, saka ng tissue. Para hindi
Kape.
naman siya masyadong tsaka.
Parang
Bilan
nagbibilin
ko
na si
And
projection.
then wala kang choice eh. Babangon ka ulit after.
Mm.
So,
Pero feeling ko si friend naalala yung moment na yun at ikaw.
Yeah. Oh.
Di ba?
Sana naman.
Sana. And the beauty of it is, at the time, yung sinasabi ni Ellen na sometimes it's so frustrating kasi you want to take away the pain. And you want to solve it for your friends, but you can't. And at the time, that's what I felt. Na parang how do I slap reality into her? How do I make her realize na this is not the end of the world. This guy is not it. You know, but wala eh. Hindi naman ako yung nakakaramdam ng pagmamahal. And so, hindi ko maiaalis yun. All I can do is just sit there and be with her. And the beauty of it is, wala. Now, many years later, she's okay. She's happy. We have forgotten about that guy. So,
Deserve.
that's the moral here, I guess. Na parang it all ends. Anyway, when your friend is working, wala. I think you have to compartmentalize. So, like, set aside time, deal with it, feel all the feelings, discuss it all, i-catharsis nyo na yan.
Pero
And then help them get back.
mahirap din kasi for the friend. Kasi kung ikaw, resident ka din. It's not like,
Yeah.
it's not like, oh, we have all the time in the world. Tara, let's get through this. Kasi kailangan mo ding, you can't just stop your entire universe
naman.
for the Pero yun, that's a good way to put it. Na sometimes you really just have to make them feel that they're not alone, that they're there, and if they need to talk it out or to cry, na may tao silang lalapitan for that. And I think that's really helpful. Tapos, nung breakup ko din, I think, yung coping ko kasi I really focused on med na parang, maraming hindi nakakahalata na hindi ako okay. And I didn't want people to know naman na may pinagdadaanan ako, ganyan. But what really comforted me was when I did need to talk it out. It was really nice to know that there were people I could talk to about it. And yung sinasabi nga natin kanina na minsan paulit-ulit na, ganyan. May awareness ka naman na paulit-ulit kayo. Pero parang it's helpful to know that these friends don't judge. They don't tell you na tanga-tanga mo, ganyan. Sometimes you need to be told that, but for the most part, you're allowed to feel how you want to feel, and that's helpful.
Tsaka na
Yes,
yun, no?
Ben.
Pag naka-recover na, pag yung alam mo, in retrospect
In
talaga, ang
retrospect,
tanga mo nung time na
alam mo
yun.
nun.
Parang yung ganun. Yung okay na kayo lahat, di ba?
May isa pang helpful na ginawa. Hindi ko alam kung sadya, hindi ata alam ng friend na to na ginawa niya yun for me. Pero hindi niya alam na in the context of heartbreak. Parang after my heartbreak, ang ginawa niya ay dinala niya ako sa isang event na basta ang point lang nito ay you are allowed to see the world in new perspectives and to do new activities kasi that's something you can also offer your friend to kasi parang dahil heartbreak sanay sila na doing something with their significant other. As wala yung void na yon na parang wala ka nang kasamang gawin tong mga to, wala kang kasamang gawin tong kumain sa restaurant na to, ganyan. You can offer to be that person if they want to join them in activities they used to enjoy or to find new activities, make new
Oo.
memories. So in
So
my
parang
case,
medyo
that's
totoo din, no? Yung yung parang magpakalayo-layo para makalimot or something. In a way.
not even pagkalaylay, parang just to show them that the world is still a beautiful
Oo.
place.
So sa
Parang to
case
just
mo, saan ka dinala?
So it was, hindi to bakasyon. It was a
Ah, okay.
workshop. Event siya, parang may org event that day, and then that same afternoon, meron daw siyang alam na workshop na I might want to go to, ganyan. Tapos, calligraphy yon. And parang doon ako
Oh.
nag-start mag-calligraphy.
Yun yung
Ever
origin
since,
story mo ng calligraphy, heartbreak.
it was a post-breakup thing, and it was really
Ay,
me. That same day, bumili ako ng gamit, bumili ako ng sketchpad, ganyan. So, super healing siya in a way na I discovered new versions of myself na hindi nawala re-break up. Kasi another toxic cycle you get into is that you've wasted your whole life on this. As far everything is associated with this person na. Kasi you imagined your life with this person already. But when you start to discover the world anew, start to discover things about yourself, super helpful pa din siya. And I'm really grateful to that friend for bringing. Hindi nga niya yun alam eh. Minsan hindi mo naman alam na yun yung natutulong mo for that friend. Pero helpful for me that they helped me ease back and to even discover new parts of myself. So may identity na ako apart from this person. It was really liberating. But I'm only able to say that in retrospect. Pero yun, maybe that's something you can do for your
ganda.
Oo,
Di
na
ba?
hindi parang minsan sasamahan mo lang sila na alam mo na on Saturdays they go to this coffee shop kasi mag-aaral. Be that friend na mag-aaral with them kung kaya mo, or help them fill in that time and space na dati fini-fill nung significant other
Yun
nila.
kasi mahirap no, pag mga ganyan, yung may routine kang na-build with that person.
Yes.
Tapos yun yung pag nawala,
Oo.
parang ano nang gagawin ko? Parang ganun.
Yung besh, naalala mo yung series na pinanood ko sa'yo post-breakup, yung what's that?
Pangalan nun?
Oh my God, Neil Patrick Harris.
Oo.
Okay.
No, not that one. Where
The series? A new one?
Uncoupled.
Ayun,
So,
uncoupled.
hindi siya na-renew for a second season, but
Oh,
it
no.
was basically Neil Patrick Harris and his partner were 17 years together. Tapos biglang nag-move out the other guy. And syempre na sila, middle age na sila. So he's trying to grapple with going back into the dating scene. I guess we can learn a lot of lessons from that din.
Oo,
Ayun.
no. Tsaka nandun ka rin, Peshe. Maraming mga characters doon na ikaw yun,
Yes,
parang ganun.
I was the straight best friend in that series.
Oo.
Sorry, may hirit lang ako na won't get out of my head.
sige.
So para sa mga listeners natin undergoing a breakup, para kang uncoupled. Tanong mo bakit?
Bakit?
Hindi rin kayo na-renew for a second season.
Oh!
Sorry.
In fairness.
Okay lang. No, pero i-channel natin yan into something positive. Just like uncoupled, it can still be beautiful even if you don't, doesn't turn out the way you thought. Even if it ends, even if it's walang closure, even if you're left hanging, and it's not akala mo magtutuloy, pero hindi pala. Pero okay lang. It can still be beautiful. You can still take a lot of lessons.
Saka diba seasons are always set up to be continued. Parang, di ganun yung showrunners. They always think that there will be a second season. And if wala, edi wala.
Okay lang. It can still be a beautiful show.
Yeah, it's still resonating with us after all this time. Diba? Oh, ikaw, Besh, may tips ka pa ba on
Hindi,
friendship?
ang ganda ng banter ninyo. Parang it's a beautiful season na rin. Baka season 2 na Ella and Karen. Ganda.
Natin yun, no? Yung iba-ibang guest. Wow!
Rotating guests. Hindi, you can have a week. Sobrang yung hugot ko mga from the early 2000s. Pero yung mga morning show,
Yes,
or yung
alam
mga
ko yan.
time show, meron silang kunwari like anniversary week nila. Tapos,
Iba yung
yung
mga
mga
kasama.
host nila mag-rotate for like a week lang. Parang ganon.
Parang parang siniseryoso mo masyado, Karen. Parang
Ay.
joke lang ako, di ba?
Kasi I remembered, kasi ito kanina ko pa inaalala kasi this is I recently went through, so this is my heart fixer. And I sent her a reel. Sorry, puro galing Instagram yung mga,
okay lang yan.
mga suggestions ko
The
para
best
sa ating listeners. But in that, so this is not my idea. I'm taking it from someone else. But nakalimutan ko yung term eh. Sorry, I couldn't find the reel anymore. But what this person did, she was going through something, and then her gay best friend neighbor was also going through something. What they did was list down all the places that held parang bad memories. for some reason, either bad memories or a place or an activity you associate with the ex, ganyan. They listed all that down. Tapos parang every weekend or so, they take one off the list. So, and Ella offered to do that for me. Never lang
Pupuntahan
namin.
nila.
Yes, yes.
Pupuntahan nila.
Anong
So,
gagawin
parang,
nila pag pinuntahan?
build happier memories.
Yes.
So, parang replace,
Oh.
parang,
Parang, di ba how you know how when you're in a breakup, everything na pinuntahan nyo before, it reminds
you
you of that
associate
person.
with that
Oo.
person. But now, this is, I forgot the term. They had a term for it. Pero, taking back the narrative, and parang,
Oh.
this can be my place again. This
Yes.
can be a happy place again. And Ella explicitly offered to do that for me. Ganda. There was one parang coffee shop na parang it just held a bad memory. And she was like, no, we're gonna go back there. We're gonna order the same thing. Do the
Saan
same
kayo
shit.
umupo? Doon tayo uupo. Ganun.
Yes. That's relevant.
Ay,
Yun mismo yung sound niya. Saan kayo umupo? Doon tayo uupo. Babaguhin natin ang kwento mo. And wala, that's beautiful.
Aw.
I mean, when you're in even if it hasn't panned out yet, that activity for us, parang, when you're in a bad place, it's just so helpful to know that there are people willing to do stuff like this for you. And, it doesn't have to be expensive or it doesn't have to take long. Little acts of, little acts of service and acts of making your friends feel like, and my realization, actually not realization, that has always been my thing, na parang, even if hindi tayo sinaswerte sa romantic love or sa partners that we find, love in friendship is so, so beautiful.
And underrated.
And underrated.
Yeah.
Parang, I'm so lucky. I have a lot of friends that love me this way. So parang, at the end of the day, right, even if masakit, and hindi naman mawawala yun.
parang si Ella kinikilig, parang ako yun.
Beauty and terror can coexist. Love and heartbreak can coexist. Happiness and sadness can coexist. You can be joyful and be appreciative na, shit, sobrang daming nagmamahal sa akin. Na willing sila to do this for me. Willing sila na pakinggan ako kahit para na akong sirang plaka. You can be grateful for that. And then at the same time, also still feel sad, no? Wala namang deadline para sa pag-move on.
Hindi rin siya assurance na when these are present, ay mawawala yung pain.
The pain can be there, but it can coexist with joy and good things and happiness. And that's what life is, right? Like, wala. Complex people feeling complex emotions.
And maybe that's how you also know that you're healing. Not really healed. Kasi parang medyo napapressure ka as the heartbreak key. Tama ba? Ikaw yung na-heartbreak. Parang napapressure
The patient.
ka.
As the patient.
Ikaw yung napapressure na kailangan mo nang mag-heal. But sometimes, what you really need to achieve is to achieve a place of being better. And I think yun yung, siguro those are the two ways I knew na okay na ako. Not really wala ng pain, pero na okay na ako. First was, going back to places, nung bumalik ako sa isang coffee shop na significant, and order ko na exact same thing. And I could do that. I mean, I'm not saying walang pain anymore, but nagawa ko na siya. Kasi actively iniwasan kong bumalik sa coffee shop na yun. Yun, parang the time na nagawa ko na siya. Si BTL Rob lang to, guys.
Punta nga tayo sa Lugaw.
Wow!
Ilista mo na yan.
Hindi ko siya kumakain sa lugar.
Never pa akong bumalik doon since then. Kahit may unlimited dim sum sila, masarap sana. Hindi ako bumabalik doon.
So that's one way. And the second one was when I started to see everyone who was always there for me. Kasi ba, we kept saying na you're shut off kapag in a heartbreak ka. Pero when you start seeing people who are willing to take you out or who are willing to listen, and you start to see the world piece by piece, even if you're not yet completely okay, you know you're already better. And I think better is a good place to be after a heartbreak.
Oy, pero nakabalik na, hindi pa naka-move on. Pero nakabalik na tayo sa rocks.
Ay, oo. May mga ganon din si JB. Parang, ano siya, no? Parang,
Pero yung rocks talaga, bad memory sa akin yun. Kahit in health eh. In health, in love life.
parang, lagi siyang may bad memory after
Oh
niya kumain.
no.
After niya mag-rocks one
Sorry,
time,
Rox, di ko yata tanggapin yung sponsorship niya.
Shout
Pero,
out to Rax. Sponsor nyo na daw siya.
the bad
Doon.
memories. Pero,
Pero, ayun, I think that's a very helpful list to have to
ganda nun. Ganda.
Yeah.
create
And
memories.
it's one concrete way. Sometimes kasi it's as the friend or as the life coach, it gets frustrating na parang wala akong magawa for you. And then that's one concrete way to to help your friends. Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang tips na
Siguro
yung,
ano na?
ano ba? Concrete.
Ano na siguro,
away.
dahil I think marami na tayong feelings na
Mm.
feel. Let's, siguro, one last, sige, kahit sa'yo, kasi ang dami na naming sinabi.
Si JP pa nang wala pa masyado.
Wala pa daw, sige, ikaw daw, Besh.
Na-point out na tuloy ako. Very guest akong atake ko dito. Pero yung last na tip sa'yo, Karen, kasi remind ko lang, ikaw yung guest, di ako. Wow. Wow. Taking space. Ako yung co-host, Karen, ha? Parang,
Excuse me lang.
char.
Ikaw muna, Besh.
Ang sa akin ay, feeling ko very cliche yung payo ko, pero yung mga taong nagka-undergo or nasa heartbreak stage, gusto lang nila na makikinig sa kanila.
Yeah.
Yun lang yung kailangan nila actually. Yung advice ay bonus na kasi minsan alam naman nila yan eh. Karamihan ng mga kilala ko, alam naman nila yan kung ano yung tamang gawin, alam nila yan kung ano yung next na dapat gawin, pero nagro-ruminate pa sila eh. So as a friend, makinig ka lang. Ako yun lang.
Ako, ulitin ko na lang more beautifully yung sinabi ko kanina na when your friend's world stops, just remind them that the world is moving on. And it's all right to be where they are, but you will keep the door open when they're ready to come with you again. Parang ibang dimension siya. Parang yun yung dating niya.
Parang very Doraemon ka dyan.
Ricardo, the floor is yours. Yes.
Wala, na-pressure na ako. Wala akong maganda. Ano na tayo? Parang takeaway.
Yes.
I think,
Reseta. Oh, we're bringing it back.
I think, I recently went through a heartbreak or was going through one. And, in my head, it was like, I was this doll, a ceramic doll, na parang nag-break. And my friends were the glue keeping me together, putting back the pieces
So
and keeping me
poetic.
together. And sometimes it feels like that, right? Oh no, umiyak si ate. Sometimes it feels like that, no? Na parang you can't hold yourself together anymore. And it really helps a lot to have a good set of people. Just being there, just holding you together. Yun, makinig, someone to listen, paulit-ulit-ulit, someone to help you go about life again. And wala, it's just good to be reminded that yung love, it doesn't have to be a relationship. It doesn't have to come from this person who was the center of your world. It doesn't have to look like what you thought it would look like. Love comes in many forms, in many shapes, and we are just lucky to be human and to feel love. And
I
even if
believe that.
love has ended, even if it's gone, or cannot be the way it used to be, it's still beautiful.
It
no?
is, it is.
Ano, parang all you can do is love someone, and what they do with that, it's out of your control, but it doesn't mean that love is never a bad thing. And
Yeah.
wala, you can always love people from afar. Ay, bumalik doon. Dun sa back. Anyway, yeah, love comes in many forms and it's beautiful, and we are just so lucky to be able to feel it. Parang,
Yes.
and when you're in the middle of heartbreak, it's hard to appreciate na parang, profanity. Pwede ba magmura sa podcast?
Yes!
Tang ina,
Explicit.
masakit nga. Well, I know masakit, but the day will come, whether that's a year from now, 5 years from now, 10
Or
years
mamaya.
from now, na ma-realize mo na, okay, salamat na I had this opportunity
Yeah.
to feel love and to show love. And It might not be the story that I drew in my head, but it was beautiful all the same.
Thank you for being someone who believes that love will always. I always maintain. Last ko na to, Besh, sorry. I always maintain that relationships are difficult, life is messy, life is complicated. The rest of life is complex, but love should be simple.
Mm.
Oh.
Naiyak na lang tayo.
Yeah, so ruminate. Thank you, JB and Ella, for this
Thank you,
opportunity.
Karen.
So, alam, may napulot ba yung mga viewers
Yes!
natin? Bukod dun sa chismis ni JB na may
Ay!
na iniwan siya dun.
Grabe,
True.
no? Sobrang test of friendship yun. Yung, oh my God.
Iba
Anyway,
ka rin.
oo.
Yung pagiging understanding. In fairness sa'yo. No?
Definitely. And I hope even a little bit that some listeners, some watchers, nalito na rin ako. So some of our
Kakol.
viewers, ayan, we're able to get inspiration, we're able, maybe as a friend or someone who's going through a heartbreak. Sana this episode resonated with you and kahit papano helps alleviate the pain that we know that heartbreak will bring us all.
Yeah. Sana may napulot kayo just knowing that, I don't know, heartbreak is a universal experience. We all go through it and wala, it will end at some point. It
Okay.
hasn't ended for me.
I-unpack natin
Parang
yung
kailangan
mamaya.
i-debrief yan after the episode.
Oo.
Hindi. But
Yeah.
you know, yeah.
So,
It will end eventually. Naku, February pa naman. Go
yun na yung
figure.
deadline mo. Wow!
Hindi mean love month. So
Oo nga.
it's a difficult month, you know, para sa mga nagmahal.
Alam yan ng listeners natin. So sana, kung nagustuhan niyo yung episode na to, if you want to see more episodes, follow Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Spotify. We drop new episodes every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pwede rin balikan ang mga past episodes natin. And feel free to comment and answer the episode poll.
You can also follow us on social media for more chika and updates. So we're Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Facebook, at Callroom Podcast on X, Instagram, and Threads.
You can also join our Discord community, Callroom Tambayan, our official community server, kung saan pwede makichika with us at iba pang mga ka-callroom. So if you go to the Discord, ikukwento ni JB kung sino
Yeah.
ba yung
Oh,
may ex na
na-pressure siya.
cheater. Let's go lang.
Ikaw,
Oh my
Ben.
May
God.
face reveal.
Each week, meron din tayong episode question that we post on IG and Discord. Makisagot sa question of the week every Friday, 12 p.m. to keep the conversation going.
Friday 12 p.m. na yung episode question. Again, Friday 12 p.m. Sa mga gusto mag-submit ng questions, concerns, at chief complaints, open pa rin ang kwento mo sa call room. It's a Google form where you can submit your questions to us. At kung mapili yung kwento mo, pwede namin pag-usapan in one of our future episodes. So, see the link in our pinned pages.
And if you want to reach us via email, you can reach us at kwentongcallroom@gmail.com.
Okay, and thank you for being here
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Prepared na prepared, iba.
Oo. Let's
Hindi nga eh.
physically.
Wala nga akong quotes ngayon.
Kaya, join us in the outro. Go.
Okay.
With that, I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And I'm Karen.
And this has been Kwentong Callroom.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.